Standard 4 Subject Mathematics Topic number 13 Multiplication Part 2 7 students of Standard 4 received a scholarship of Rs 315 each. What was the total amount of the scholarship received by the students? We can find the total scholarship amount by multiplying 315 by 7. To multiply 315 by 7, we have learnt two different methods, that is lattice method and vertical arrangement of multiplication. These are the two different methods which we have learnt in Standard 3. First, let us solve by using lattice method. To solve by using lattice method, we have to split 315. When we split 315, we get 300 plus 10 plus 5. Now we draw the table for lattice method. We have to draw 8 columns and 2 rows. Write the multiplication sign. Now here we write this 310 and 5 in the columns. 310 5. Now here we write 7. First let us multiply 7 into 300. When we multiply 7 into 300, we get 2100. We write in this column. Now we multiply 7 by 10. We get 7 tens are, we get 70. So that we write here. 7 fives are, we get 35. So now we have got 3 products. Now we have to add all these 3 products. Let us arrange them vertically. 2100, 70, 35. Addition sign. First we add the units place numbers. 0 plus 0 plus 5. We get 5. Now tens place numbers. 0 plus 7 plus 3. We get 10. We write 0 here, 1 is carry forwarded. Now we add the hundreds place number. 1 plus 1, we get 2. Now this 2, we bring it down as it is 2. So when we multiply 315 by 7, we get 2205. The total scholarship amount received by the students is Rupees 2205. Now let us solve the same sum using the second method, that is multiply vertically. To multiply vertically, first we need to draw the columns. Now we write units, tens, hundreds and thousands place. We have to multiply here 315 by 7. 315 by 7. So first we write 315. 3 in hundreds column, 1 in tens column, 5 in units column. We write the multiplication sign by 7. 7 in units place. We have left this one full row to write the carry forwarded numbers. Now let us multiply 7 multiplied by 5. First we multiply from the units place number. 7 multiplied by 5, we get 7 5s are 35. So we write 5 here, 3 is carried to tens place. Now 7 ones are, we get 7. 7 plus 3, we get 10. So we write 10, 0 we write in tens place, 1 is carried to hundreds place. Now we multiply 7 3s are. 7 3s are, we get 21. 21 plus 1, we get 22. So first we write 2 in hundreds place, then we write the other 2 in thousands place. Now the final answer we have got is the total scholarship amount received by the students is Rupees 2205. Now let us solve the exercise. Multiply the following. 743 multiplied by 5. Here already the columns are drawn. So let us start multiplying from the units place. 5 3s are 15. So we write 5 in units place. 1 is carried to tens place. 5 4s are 20. 20 plus 1 we get 21. 1 we write in tens place. 2 is carried to hundreds place. 5 7s are 35. 35 plus 2 37. 7 we write in hundreds place. 3 in thousands place. So we get 743 multiplied by 5 is equal to 3,715. Now let us solve the second sum. 409 multiplied by 4. We multiply 4 multiplied by 9. 4 9s are we get 36. So we write 6. 3 is carried to tens place. 4 multiplied by 0, that is 4 zeros are we get 0. 0 multiplied by any number we get 0. 0 plus 3 is 3. So we write 3 in tens place. 4 4s are 16. Write 6 in hundreds place, 1 in thousands place. So 409 multiplied by 4 we get 1636. Let us move on to the next sum. 354 multiplied by 9. 9 4s are 36. We write 6 in units place, 3 in tens place. 9 5s are 45. 45 plus 3 48. So we write 8 in tens place. 4 is carried to hundreds place. 9 3s are 27. 27 plus 4 31. So 1 in hundreds place, 3 in thousands place. 354 multiplied by 9 we get 3186. Now let us learn multiplication of 2-digit number by a 2-digit number using vertical method. 38 multiplied by 24. First let us draw the table. In the first row we write the place values, units, tens, hundreds. Now here since we are multiplying by 2-digit number, we have to leave here 2 columns or 2 rows for carry forwarded numbers. So these 2 rows we are leaving to write carry forwarded numbers. Now here we write our question, that is 38 3 8 24 multiplication sign. Now here we see that we have to multiply by a 2-digit number. So first we multiply using first units place number we take and multiply 38. That is 4 8s are we get 32. We write 2 here. 3 is carried to tens place. 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 3 15. So we write 15 here in tens place 5. Hundreds place 1. Now we have to multiply using 2. We have to multiply 38 by 2. So 2 is in tens place. So we should not write the answer in units place. Here we write 0. Since we are multiplying by a tens place number, we have to start writing the answer from the tens place. So 2 8s are 16. We write 6 here and 1 is carried to tens place. 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 1 7. We write 7 in hundreds place. Now we have got 2 answers, 152 760. When we multiplied 38 by 4 we got 152, and when we multiplied 38 by 2 we got 760. Now we have to add these 2 numbers. 2 plus 0 we get 2. 5 plus 6 we get 11. We write 1 here. Again 1 is carried. We write it here only. Now 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 7 we get 9. So now the final answer is 38 multiplied by 24 we get 912. Now let us solve the exercise. 37 multiplied by 27. Draw the columns. Write the place values, units, tens, hundreds. First we write 37. 3 in tens place, 7 in units place. 27, 2 in tens place, 7 in units place. Multiplication sign. First we multiply 37 by 7. So 7 sevens are 49. We write 9 in units place, 4 is carried to tens place. 7 threes are 21, 21 plus 4, 25. We write 5 in tens place, 2 in hundreds place. Now let us multiply 37 by 2 tens. Since 2 is in tens place, we say it as 2 tens. So 37 multiplied by 2 tens, that is 20. First in the units place, we will write 0. Now we start multiplication. 2 sevens are 14. We write 4 in tens place, 1 is carried to tens place up. 2 threes are 6. 6 plus 1 we get 7. Now we have two answers. When we multiplied 37 by 7, we got 259. When we multiplied 37 by 2 tens, we got 740. Now we have to add these two answers. So we write the addition sign. 9 plus 0 we get 9. 5 plus 4 we get 9. 2 plus 7 also we get 9. So 37 multiplied by 27 we get 999. Let us understand more sums. 67 multiplied by 92. Now we draw the table. Write the place values. Here we write one more place value, that is thousands place. Units, tens, hundreds, thousands. Now we have to write the question. 67, 92, multiplication sign. Now we multiply 67 by 2. So 2 sevens are 14. We write 4 in units place, 1 is carried to tens place. 2 6 are 12, 12 plus 1 13. So we write 3 in tens place, 1 in hundreds place. Now in units place we write 0. Now we multiply 67 by 9. So 9 sevens are 63. So we write 3 in tens place. 6 is carry forwarded. 9 6 are 54. 54 plus 6, 60. So we write 0 in hundreds place, 6 in thousands place. Now we have got two answers. Now we have to add these two answers to get the final answer. 4 plus 0 we get 4. 3 plus 3 we get 6. 1 plus 0 we get 1. 6 we write as it is. 67 multiplied by 92 we get 6164. Let us move on to the next sum. 60 multiplied by 24. Write the place values, units, tens, hundreds, thousands. We write 60 in 6 in tens place, 0 in units place, 2 in tens place, 4 in units place. Multiplication sign. We multiply the units place numbers first. 0 4 multiplied by 0, we get 0. 0 multiplied by any number, you get 0. 4 6 we get 24. So we write 24. 2 multiplied by 0, we get 0. But before that, let us write 0 here in units place. Now multiply 2 multiplied by 0, we get 0. 2 multiplied by 6, we get 12. Now we have to add these two numbers. 240 plus 1200. 0 plus 0, we get 0. 4 plus 0, we get 4. 2 plus 2, we get 4. 1 we write as it is. So 60 multiplied by 24, we get 1440. $38 multiplied by 25. Let us write the place values. 3 in tens place, 8 in units place, 2 in tens place, 5 in units place, multiplication sign. 5 8s we get 40, we write 0 in units place, 4 in tens place. 5 3s 15, 15 plus 4 19, we write 9 in tens place, 1 in hundreds place. Now we multiply using 2. First we write 0 in units place. Now 2 8s 16. We write 6 in tens place. 1 is carried. 2 3s 6. 6 plus 1 we get 7. Now we have to add 190 plus 760. Let us write the addition sign. 0 plus 0 we get 0. 9 plus 6 we get 15. 5 we write 1 is carry forwarded. 1 plus 1 we get 2. 2 plus 7 we get 9. 38 multiplied by 25 we get 950. 67 multiplied by 94. Let us write the place values. 6 in tens place, 7 in units place, 9 in tens place, 4 in units place. Multiplication sign. 7 4s 28. We write 8 in units place, 2 in tens place. 4 6 we get 24. 24 plus 2 is 26. 6 in tens place, 2 in hundreds place. Now we write 0 in units place. Now 9 7s are 63. We write 3. 6 is carry forwarded. 9 6 are 54. 54 plus 6 we get 60. Now let us add these two numbers. 8 plus 0 we get 8. 6 plus 3 9. 2 plus 0 2. 6 is brought down. So 67 multiplied by 94 we get 6298. 60 multiplied by 34. Write the place values. Units, tens, hundreds, thousands. 6 in tens place, 0 in units place. 3 in tens place, 4 in units place. Multiplication sign. 4 multiplied by 0 we get 0. 4 6 are 24. We write 0 in units place. Now multiply using 3. 3 zeros are 0. 3 6 are 18. Now we add 0 plus 0, we get 0. 4 plus 0, we get 4. 2 plus 8, we get 10. $60 multiplied by 34, we get 2040. We continue in the next video.